Welcome to my channel. I decided to make a playlist of short informational videos about Vanguard to answer all of your questions. The playlist will cover various topics such as how to set up a Vanguard account, how to sell a fund, how to top up your investment, and much more. I'll put a link to the playlist up here so you can check it out. And if you have any specific questions, please leave them in the comment section. I'll make a short video to answer them. Today's video is about how to set up your Vanguard account, and by watching this video, you've taken the first step in your investment journey. Congratulations! I'll be your guide and walk you through the setup process step by step. Let's jump to the Vanguard website and begin. If you live in the UK, make sure you are on the right Vanguard, which is vanguardinvestor.co.uk. So to create an account, go on top right corner and press Open an Account. Then press Start My Application. Here you can see you have 4 options: personal pension, stock and share ISA, which is a tax-free investment option where dividends and capital gains are not taxed. A general account. I recommend using the general account only if you are planning to invest over £20,000 annually. And the junior ISA, you can use the junior ISA if you are planning to invest for your kids. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about stock and share ISA. Let's click Open an Account. So here are some important information. Make sure to take your time to read it and understand it. Then scroll down. I have read the above documents and I would like to proceed with my investment. Then click Proceed. On this page, you have to choose your investment. Click on Add More Investments and you get 4 options to invest, which are blended funds, equity funds, fixed income funds, and cash. Let's start with blended funds. In this category are the life strategy funds and target retirement funds. The life strategy funds are a combination of stock and bonds and are considered a single fund portfolio. A target retirement fund is a pre-made investment portfolio and is designed for retirement. You simply choose when you're planning to retire, and the fund automatically adjusts the number of shares and bonds as you get closer to the retirement, gradually moving towards safer options. Equity funds. So this category is 100% equities and is made of index funds and ETFs. Here you have the option to make your global fund by combining different ETFs or index funds, or simply go with a ready-made global fund like VWRL. I have compared a DIY global fund with VWRL. If you are interested, check it out here. Just a small reminder, most ETFs and index funds require a minimum deposit of £500 or a monthly payment of £100 for 5 months. Once the minimum requirement is complete, you can invest any amount you wish. Fixed income funds. This category is 100% bonds and is also made of ETFs and index funds. Mixing these fixed income funds with equity funds can result in a safer portfolio. And the last option that we have is the cash. Here we can deposit money and invest it later on. In today's example, I go with a global fund on equity funds and continue with a single payment of £500 and then click Next. Here you just have to fill in your personal details and then click Next. On the next page, you just have to complete your order, and after that you are ready to go. Your Vanguard account is up and running. I hope this video helped you to set up your Vanguard account, and check out my next video where I show you how to top up your investments.